Hello, everyone. I hope you all had a fun, creative week. So today I'm going to be going through the elements of design, um, just in more depth. This will be a two-part video as well. So let's get started. So design elements are, so the biggest thing to keep in mind with each element of design is that they can be used effectively or ineffectively, and that many compositions exist that are not perfect in their use of the elements. So, for example, an interior in a home may have dramatic space, perfect balanced lighting, um, well-proportioned form or mass, and appropriate lines in the home, but they could have poorly selected patterns, texture, or color that ruins the whole feel of the room. So negative space is used, for example, by use of the windows between walls, the floor around the area rug, the wall around and between art, space between furniture pieces, or even the cubic footage. In a successful interior, the positive and negative spaces should be in balance in terms of both amount and placement. So with shape, understanding the difference between shape and form is that um, shape focuses on 2D shapes, while form is more 3D shapes. So just like in an interior design, there's so much you can do to play with shapes in a room, artwork, photography, fashion. It's just limitless what you can do with shapes. So form is the extension of shape, that gives balance when playing against proportion and scale of the architecture for the desired psychological effect or feeling, and to select each form to complement other nearby forms. So squares, for example, give the feeling of more business-like atmosphere in a room, where more curved lines or forms um, will make the room feel gracious and relaxed. So with mass, the heavier or more solid mass will make furniture pieces look larger than furniture with the same overall dimensions, but with empty areas instead of solid areas. Examples of solid or heavy mass include sofas, chairs and ottomans, end tables, nightstands, dining room tables, and bookcases. Of course, all of these don't necessarily all stay heavy. For example, in the left photo compared to the right photo, there is a big difference between the chairs, like how heavy they are. Because of the shape and style of the chair, the mass feels lighter, whereas the ottoman in the right image feels like it has more weight than the chairs in the right photo. So I love the very left photo because of how they play with lines subtly. With a lamp, mirror, chair, sofa, and table create a stunning but relaxed room. Um, where the middle image uses more lines to make the room feel relaxed, but more powerful and sophisticated, but also simple by the use of the vertical lines they use, as well as the colors. And the last image, the curved lines can make also a room feel more relaxed with the waves that they use. So here are my sources. If you guys have any questions, thoughts, or suggestions for me, just let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, my invitation for you guys this week is to pick one of the elements that you want to work on in your home, school, or work, and improve using that element more. Otherwise, I hope you guys have a wonderful week. And remember, be creative.